Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I talked about the range between 115,700 and 116,300. Shortly after that upload, price action tested the upper boundary of the descending trend line, then slipped down to the weekend low of 115,200. From there, the market quickly recovered back above 115,700 into Sunday. Later that day, during another dip to these levels, price again managed to rebound and push toward the upper boundary of the descending trend line. However, the rejection this time was sharper. The previous visit to 115,200 had taken nearly 4 hours to develop, while this drop occurred within just one hourly candle. The following candle pressed further, reaching 115,000 flat, the same level where buyers had stepped in last Friday. As of now, the market is hovering around 115,200, holding its ground but worth watching closely. On the 1-hour chart, Bitcoin is moving along the lower edge of a descending triangle that has been forming since last week. The repeated lower highs along the yellow trend line suggest weakening momentum, while immediate horizontal support stands between 114,700 and 115,000. Below that, additional levels appeared near 114,000, 113,700, and 112,900. Moving averages have started to flatten and curl downward, showing reduced upward pressure. With the Federal Reserve's FOMC decision scheduled for September 17th, the market seems to be compressing in anticipation, coiling beneath resistance ahead of the event. Looking at the liquidity heat maps. On the one-day view, the cluster near 115,000 has just been swept, opening potential for a move upward toward 116,400. On the 3-day view, the warmest level sits above at 117,000, inside a pocket that extends to 117,900. On the 2-week view, the concentration of interest is stacked above the current price, starting around 116,600 and stretching to 118,300, with another cluster lining up at 120,000. Below us, the next significant pockets begin around 110,500 and extend down to 106,600. My expectation is that the market will attempt to target the higher clusters starting midweek, particularly once clarity around interest rates arrives. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. If you found value in this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.